I think I would honestly really love to be a part of an Imtiaz Ali sir's film. Yeah, just putting it out in the universe. Please make it happen. But I don't think there's any sense of competition. At least मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता. Because I'm already like I feel like मैं अपनी जो energies है और अपना जो focus है वो अपने काम पे ही लगाती हूँ.
Hi guys, this is Ankita. You are tuned into peepingmoon.com and we are here with another episode of Rising Stars of 2021. Now, the one which we have today made a musical entry, borrowing Maska to all of us. And right now, she's working very hard to let everyone out there go Nikamma, literally. Let's ask Shirley Setia directly what exactly are her plans. Hello, Shirley, how are you?
I'm great, Ankita. Thank you for that lovely intro. So nice.
Tell me something, Shirley. If we have to rewind it, how did you actually land into, I would say, on the screen, if that has to be the word for it? What started as a musical journey, right from Auckland, if I'm not mistaken, to Bombay? How did Shirley land here?
Oh well, see पहले तो मैं actually सिर्फ music करने ही आई थी. You know, if I'm being honest, but I know that in my heart I always felt that this is not the only thing that I want to do, and you know I always बचपन से had a dream कि नहीं मुझे acting करनी है, but I never knew कि um, कैसे करूँगी या you know will it be possible for me or not. So yeah, I mean I had come, and then once I came here we started doing original songs, which is when I met a few of the directors that I worked with, one of whom was Robbie sir. So Robbie sir during कोई भी नहीं, he really encouraged me कि आप acting क्यों नहीं करते हो, आपके expressions इतने अच्छे हैं, you know करना चाहिए try. I was like yeah, you know पता नहीं क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है अब करती हूँ. So then I think that was just that one, you know how sometimes you just need a little bit of push. I feel like through that um I kind of got it. And ऐसा नहीं था कि उससे पहले मैं auditions नहीं दे रही थी. I had given a lot of auditions before, but मैं शायद उतना dedication से maybe नहीं दे रही थी, या उतना अपने आप में वो मैं sure नहीं थी कि नहीं मुझे यही करना है. So then I decided to like take a couple of months off. I went to New York. I studied. Um, I did a short course on acting to understand if I even enjoy it, if I like it. Because you know a lot of people are like, oh, you know, बाहर से सब बहुत अच्छा लगता है and glamorous लगता है, but you know when you actually get on the grinding scene, it's very, it's very different. Like the actual set experience is very different from when you're just shooting for songs. तो बी श्योर कि यू नो तुम्हें ये करना है. तो मैं जब वहाँ पे गई थी मैंने जितना भी कुछ सीखा थ्रू my little course, I really enjoyed it, you know, and that's when I kind of decided in my mind कि नहीं अब तो ये करना ही है. So yeah, then I came back, started giving like auditions properly. I made up my mind कि no, this is what I want to do. And then Sabir sir had reached out to me. I auditioned for the film. He asked me also this question, you know, are you sure you want to do acting? या तुम्हें सिर्फ लग रहा है तुम्हें करना है? I said नहीं sir, मैं absolutely sure हूँ. And yeah, then Muska also happened simultaneously, and that's why you know I think both the films were going to release in 2020. Muska was gonna be releasing in March, and Nikamma was due to release in June. In fact, जब हम Muska के promotions कर रहे थे for Netflix, I still remember we were in between shoots because Nikamma का last schedule shoot हो रहा था, and yeah, and then the whole pandemic happened. But still, you know, I'm grateful that Muska was loved and it released and people loved it so much all around the world. So that means a lot to me. Yeah. So that's how it kind of happened.
Really, now this is a common question which is being asked to normally supermodels. Like models can't act, and when they come into the films, we call them that there is no expression. Did you ever face something like she's a singer ultimately, and that also a YouTube sensation? Can she act? Like, was the question posed to you by others, like outsiders, maybe who were auditioning you, or who were trying to cast you in a certain role? Did you
Yeah.
also feel that kind of?
I think maybe not directly, but I'm sure like ऐसे सोचा तो होगा, and like maybe not for Maska or Nikamma, because the vibe also which I've gotten from when I'd gone to audition, it was very much like a normal audition. I remember for Maska also my production house gayi thi, Mutant Film ke, and it was like any other, like a lot of other auditions that I've given. Like you go, you read your lines with someone, and then they shoot you, and then that's it. You do like a little, hi, my name is Shirley, and then that's it, and then you just wait for a call. That's how it happens. So I'm sure कि काफी सारे लोगों ने सोचा होगा ये, but मुझसे directly ऐसे कभी किसी ने बोला नहीं, because I think I was just so vocal about the fact that I really want to do this. So I always, and I'm always like कि मैं I like to kind of prove things with my work, and I don't like say a lot before things happen. I think my fans know that, and they know me for that. Like usually I don't like tell them कि अच्छा मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं acting करूँगी, और मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी, but ये मैंने सिर्फ तभी disclose किया कि मैं कर रही हूँ actually when it all sort of started getting into place. So that's how I've been. And even like I remember when I'd gone to Sabri sir, उन्होंने भी मेरे साथ workshops किए थे. Their team did workshops with me, and he filmed that to see how I'll probably look on the camera. And those workshops were done without the direction of Sabri sir. So matlab, the ADs were there to help me, and then we did it together. But he wanted to see कि ये कर भी पाएगी, matlab, will she be able to give justice to the role? And I think only after he believed in that was when he kind of gave me that opportunity. And same goes for Maska also.
Shari, you have been a YouTube sensation. There is a certain following you enjoy.
It's
That's not
so sweet when you say that. I don't know if I am.
You
but
are.
yeah,
Like
there's a lot of hard
the
work.
followers. Yeah, that's what I was coming to. And I mean, I think 2014 was one of your first uploads. If I am
2013.
not 2013. Yeah. So see, it's almost like
April.
7 to 8 years you're doing that. You have sort of faced the camera. You knew how the drill it's going to be like. Now, when you come from a background where you are singing and now
Yeah.
you're into the films, tell me honestly, no jokes. How many of you actually ask you this barter deal thing? That listen, you will be in my film or you will be in my play or you will be in my ad, but you gotta sing.
अरे वो तो मैं खुद करना चाहती हूँ. मैं खुद बोलती हूँ, देखिए सर प्लीज. Yeah, because no, I mean I like both, right? I mean I love acting, and I've realized this. I always wanted to do it, but I've realized this, that I really love it. And I love music as well, so I don't want to leave that. So I'm always trying to find ways कि कैसे
But do
कर
you think
सकते
that
हैं.
music has certainly taken a sort of backseat for you, or you were called as the next big music thing when Forbes did an article on you?
Yeah.
So since then to now, do you think has music been your first inclination towards art? Has taken a backseat when it comes to the camera rolling?
I wouldn't say backseat. I think it's all about time. And sadly and unfortunately, there's only 24 hours in a day. And in those 24 hours, इंसान को थोड़ा सोना भी पड़ता है, बिकॉज ये मैंने हार्डवे रियलाइज किया है कि अगर आप अपने बॉडी को रेस्ट नहीं दोगे तो आप बीमार हो जाओगे, और इतनी बुरी तरह से बीमार होगे कि कुछ भी काम नहीं कर पाओगे. तो you have to kind of go easy on yourself. And I feel 2019 was when I started shooting for Maska and also for Nikamma. Now 2019 ke start mein, one of my singles had released. I believe that was Biba, with Marshmello. And also 2019 के start में हुआ था या 2018 end में, I think MTV Unplugged का भी मैंने एक music episode किया था with Sachin Jigar. And before that, you know, a lot of my singles, etc., were releasing simultaneously. But because then since 2019, I started shooting for the films. पहले मस्का का पूरा schedule हुआ, and that was super hectic. मतलब quite like so many months all together. You know, you're just outside on the streets, and so many of people actually noticed me while we were shooting in South Bombay. Kyun, surely, I was like, yes, guys, you can't post about this now because look reveal ho jayega, you know. But I'll take a picture with you later. So that always happens, and right after that, I remember मेरे पास I think एक या दो दिन का भी break नहीं था. Right after we finished Maska, we started shooting for Nikamma, and because of that entire like phase of like continuously shooting, obviously there's less time that you get. Matlab, if you're dedicating time on something, then you won't have time to dedicate on something else. That is, ये होता है. But ये फिर मुझे करना था because I don't want to do half-hearted क्या बोलते हैं attempts or work. मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ तो मैं उसमें 100% अपना काम पूरी तरह से करूँ, because अगर मैं नहीं करूँगी तो फिर बाद में मुझे भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा और वो काम like you're not doing justice to that work, you know. So yeah, but I did a song in Maska, and then I knew for a fact that, you know, both these films were gonna release in 2020. So I had songs and everything lined up in 2020 कि ठीक है ये अब release होगा तो उसके around फिर मैं, you know, after that I'll plan something, and then
Things
you know
happen.
Sometimes things just you can't plan things.
Happened. Then
Then 2020 happened, yes. So
Yes.
I mean, it hasn't dampened my spirits, I would say. Obviously I felt like a, you know, मुझे बहुत कुछ करना था और मैं कर नहीं पाई, but it's okay. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I'm still able to do what I love, and I am working on songs now, and they will hopefully release soon. My film will hopefully release soon, and I'm doing another uh, Telugu project now. So you know, it's all happening.
I was coming
Thank you,
next to
God.
the Telugu project of yours. Are you allowed to talk about it yet? Shall we ask you?
आप पूछो, मैं देखती हूँ कि मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ क्या नहीं.
Nothing. I was just going to go as simple as it. Like switching languages isn't easy, and it's a little too early in your career. Though it's not a uncommon precedence. We have stars like Aishwarya who actually started from down south and then moved to beat even Deepika, and then came towards the Hindi. But are you able to balance between the languages easily? Is it coming easy to you?
It's not easy because I don't know the language. And I think I've not been exposed to Telugu before either. Like, yeah, I've watched films, but I think I was, पता नहीं मैंने क्यों ऐसे नहीं किया. I used to watch Hindi dubbed versions, और या तो मैं subtitles के साथ देखती थी. So I would always focus on the subtitles and not the actual dialogues, you know. But now I'm like, क्यों नहीं किया मैंने? करती तो शायद help हो जाती. But you never think like that, you know. You never think so. I mean, I didn't even know कि मैंने बचपन में जो सोचा था कि मैं एक्टिंग करूंगी और मैं करूंगी, मतलब मुझे लगा भी नहीं था कि ये रियल होगा या नहीं. बट आई थिंक दैट विजन was just so strong that I just want to do it. That maybe things sort of happened, and ऐसे नहीं कि easily हो गया. बहुत auditions दिए थे मैंने, and so many of them did not go through, and it's okay. By that time you know कि ठीक है, अगर ये workout नहीं हो रहा है तो it's fine. God has some other better plans. Yeah. You have
Talking
to
about
have
the
faith.
better plans, tell me something. Was there an audition which you really wanted to crack, or maybe a director or a film you were really looking forward to work with? It didn't happen.
So you know, I had auditioned for this project called Aladdin. Yeah, long back. I think in 2018 or 2017, I must have auditioned for it.
Yeah,
Um,
18 was the auditions. I remember because even Tara Sutaria auditioned for the same. She was telling us, yeah,
yeah,
these are a beautiful role. They needed someone who could
yeah.
sing well.
And exactly, they made me sing. It was so beautiful, and I mean, you know the storyline, and bachpan se, it's like if you get an opportunity to be a Disney princess, kaun mana karega?
Exactly.
So yeah, I think that one, um, that one I can probably say that I had, and I really wished it happened, but it's okay. I mean, that I watched the film, later on, and the casting in the entire film was superb. So it was really well done.
Okay, hypothetically, Shirley, pick for me. If
Hmm.
there was a director you wanted to debut with, or a film you would have loved to debut with, hypothetically, I have asked this to everyone, and we have hilarious answers. Any film you would have traded off?
No,
No,
no, I love my team, and I keep telling him even now. Like I just met him a couple of days ago for something, um, regarding the film only. तो मैं उनको यही बोलती रहती हूँ कि सर मतलब अगर मुझे फिर से दोबारा से भी opportunity मिलेगी, I would love to work with you again because the team is so nice. मैं उनके साथ जैसे ही मैं जाती हूँ उनके ऑफिस, अब उनको पता है कि शर्ली आ रही है तो अदरक वाली चाय चाहिए। चाय पिएगी, तो उस दिन मैं गई, मैंने बोला नहीं मुझे चाय नहीं पीनी, तो सब बोल रहे क्यों, क्या हो गया, व्हाट हैपेंड? ऐसे नहीं, अगर ठीक है चलो, अगर मीटिंग लंबी चलेगी तो मैं ले लूंगी। there's that equation that's been set and created with the entire team, and I'm just so comfortable with them. And honestly, I give a lot of respect and credit to Saber sir. उन्होंने बहुत ही comfortable feel कराया मुझे। Starting से मुझे बोला कि we have like the best team uh, working for you, because my look in the film is very different. If you've seen some of the, I wouldn't say posters, but yeah, some of the stills from the film that we've put out. My look is very different. I had longer hair, very glam girl next door kind of a look. But abhi like this is me. That is
I
the
was going to
character.
interrupt you there because one of your comments read that you remind them of Preeti Zinta. So
Oh,
I'm like, let's ask Shirley, is she aiming to be the next PZ?
oh wow, that's such a nice compliment. I really love her. I really love her. She's so pretty. So pretty. No pun intended.
Okay,
And
before we
yeah,
move to the fun question, Shirley, tell me something. A director you are dying to work with, a film or a project or a story you would like to tell. It can be a subject you are dying to, put out on screen. Something which is really on your wish list. You would want to give her a shout out from here this time. That let the universe channel it for you.
I think I would honestly really love to be a part of an Imtiaz Ali sir's film. Yeah, just putting it out in the universe. Please make it happen. Yeah, I think that would be really nice. And honestly, all of his films have a lot of character to them. I love I loved Highway, बहुत beautiful film थी वो भी. So yeah, anything. But yeah, just putting it out. Make it happen.
And that is really as a performer. I would not call you just as an actor because you're a performer. You're an artist. You there are so many things to do. Uh, if talent wise, I would call it. Are there some do's and don'ts you always have in place? Like there are some policies. मुझे ये subject या story का हिस्सा कभी नहीं बनना. Is there something you are restricted towards, or you always just like never say a never?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है कुछ, but yeah, I mean, I feel like, whatever I want to be associated with, like my parents should feel comfortable about it. And at the end of the day, if they are happy and they are proud of the work that I'm doing, I'm happy. Like, because उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है मेरे लिए, मुझे इतनी दूर भेजा, वो वहां पे रह रहे हैं, they trust me to be here, take care of myself. It's a big thing. um, बिल्कुल भी नहीं मान, मैंने देखा है वो टाइम, so I know how it was. बिल्कुल भी नहीं मान रहे थे, and फिर to come from that to where we are now, where they were also so excited to be here, and वो भी premiere पे होना चाहते थे. And then my mom was actually here when Maska released. I remember she was here during the lockdown as well for a couple of months before then she went back. But yeah, they feel really happy and proud now. So I don't want to do anything to hamper that. I feel like I would want to do something that makes them feel comfortable, and सब खुश है तो फिर मैं खुश हूँ. Sub in the sense my family, my close family.
Of
Yeah,
course.
yeah. Then I'm
That's
okay.
what counts.
Then,
Yeah,
then,
that's
then there's
what
no
counts.
stress.
Trust me, that counts the best always.
Then there's no stress. If they feel like, sometimes my mom can be quite critical. She'll be like, हाँ तूने ये अच्छा गाया था, but ये वाला इतना अच्छा नहीं गाया. So then that is like, oh no. But yeah, my dad's usually not like that. He's very chill. My mom's a little more critical. Yes. But it's good. You should have that. I think when it comes from your family, you know that it's real.
It's real.
So yeah.
Let's go to something fun, Shirley. There is only one rule to play this. Your answers only need to have or feature young actors, like your generation, maybe an Abhimanyu or a Mizan or a Ishan, say Ananya. Your answers have to be only young generation. I am
Okay.
not taking anyone senior. And the only respite you get is if you get stuck in a question, you can use a Hollywood name also.
Okay.
So are we clear here?
Okay. I think so.
Okay. All right. So, Shirley, let's do this one. Let's start. Okay, what is your latest celeb crush in this current generation?
In the current generation, I think I would say Nikama, Abhimanyu.
Don't worry,
Just a little plug for the film.
Nice. I'll confirm this with Abhimanyu tomorrow when I'm talking to him. I'm like, listen, Shirley has already given the tip on you, so let's take it from here. Now I'm going to put you in a spot in the next one. If you have to kiss, marry, and hook up, give me 3 names.
Arey baapre, 3 names.
Kiss, marry, and hook up. Come on.
Very stuck. Help me with names, no?
No. I am not. The only thing I can give you a respite is that you can include a Hollywood name as well, like someone young in the Hollywood. You can include him. Or can be anything.
Oh. Arey, I'm very stuck. Suddenly 3 names. Help me with names.
Come on, yaar, it's kiss, marry, hook up. You can pick anyone. If I'll give you names, then it'll be like I'm putting names in your mouth. I'm giving it to you open end. Pick anyone.
वो बैठा है अभी, मैं इतनी confused हूँ, मैं कैसे करूँ?
Okay.
I'm so bad at this. Oh God. If I ever did a rapid fire, I would really suck.
Oh yeah, I can totally tell you. You're not getting the hamper. You're not getting the hamper.
Whoever is with me gets the hamper. Confirmed.
Who we have? We have Ishan, we have Abhimanyu, we have Mizan, we have Siddhant Chaturvedi, we have at least these are the 4 names which are coming quickly to my mind as of now. Who else? We have Rohit Saraf, we have there are so many new boys. Come on, you can easily pick Kiss, Marry, Hook Up, and then in Hollywood, whoever you prefer, if you prefer.
So wow, why am I so bad at this question? Okay, I'm just gonna say random names. So what was it? Kill, marry, and
no, kiss, marry, and hook up. We are giving you
kiss, marry, and hook up. So you're not killing anyone.
No, we're not killing anyone. Let it be. Okay. Let's be happy.
Okay. Okay. So just random kiss. यार ये बहुत difficult है.
Okay, chalo. Give me a hookup and a marry. Let's go even easy. I'm taking down one person for you.
Yeah, अभी भी difficult है.
नहीं, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा. You are getting, that's the maximum you are getting from me. Come on, tell me. It's a hypothetical thing. No one is going to feel bad.
I know. Still. Okay, fine. I'll just give you two names. You can categorize them. Okay? I give you that. Since they're hypothetical anyway. So you can pick Rohit and Siddhant Chaturvedi.
I think you would
And
marry. Now I'll give the answer. So Shirley, guys, might marry Rohit and
this
have
is the most interesting.
Siddhant. I'm
This is
telling
the
you this
most.
conversation. I'm telling you, we
You
are
are
going.
deciding.
We are deciding this is hypothetical, guys. Universe, catch the message. Okay.
Hello.
Which new Bollywood actor you would love to be gossip buddies with?
Gossip buddies with.
Yeah. If you have to pick any.
Honestly, I feel like I personally am very bad at gossiping because मैं ऐसे करती ही नहीं हूँ. But since I don't know all of these guys, like I have not met them or interacted with them, Abhimanyu.
Yeah. Okay. That works. Okay. A
Yeah.
newbie who looks like a snack. Someone who looks like a snack.
I think Rohit has a very
Nice.
chocolatey boy look, no? He reminds me of who was that actor जो Netflix के उसमें बहुत वो हो गया था?
Noah.
Noah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. A newbie you wish wasn't dating.
A newbie. I wish. I don't know who is dating who.
So
So कैसे पता? Like,
let it be a wild guess. If you think someone is dating, just say it.
Noah.
Actually, this is the coolest question answer round right now. We are discussing exactly what I'm going to say. This is going as easy as it goes.
Yeah.
Okay,
You know, clearly we have not done this off camera, so we're just going it on.
Exactly. You should have done a revision. I'm telling you, guys, this is not rigged. I am telling you, this is not rigged. This is as true Shirley can be at the moment.
Yeah, most of the times during essay types of question and answer stuff, I'm very clueless. Like, otherwise, see, मैंने कितना fast सब चीजें बोल दी. Like whenever you're saying that.
It's like a preparation run we are running you through for your next rapid and fire. So yeah, just take it that way.
Oh Lord. Now I'm gonna use all these names and just copy paste.
Done. Okay, tell me a cheesiest pickup line if you would have to randomly use on an actor or a co-actor, it can be any co-actor. If you would have to use a cheesy pickup line, what would it be?
I don't know many. Now I'm trying to think of the comments that I read because sometimes people comment in and
they make very good cheesy pickup lines as well. Some good comments.
There was some about like मुझे exactly याद नहीं आ रहा है क्या था, but there's something about like कि मैं something अपने घर का रास्ता भूल गया हूँ या something, can I look in your heart or can I look in your eyes, ऐसे कुछ है ना, something like that is there. See, I'm so bad, I can't even remember.
Yeah, I got it.
You know,
Shirley would be very traditional. It's like, I want to be the maska to your.
Oh, Preet is perfect at this. That's what I'll do. I'll call him and I'll ask. He's very good at these cheesy pickup lines. He's very
I heard somewhere from him only. That's why I was trying to give you a clue. You might remember.
वो ये सब चीजें बहुत सही है. एक उसने दूसरा भी कुछ बोला था जब हम प्रमोशंस पे गए थे मस्का के, मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा. मैं ये सब ऐसे सब चीजें मतलब मुझे सुन के फनी लगती है, then I just forget.
Okay. Okay, tell me an actor you're secretly stalking at the moment. Any actor
that I'm secretly stalking at the moment. Noah.
Noah's getting really popular.
He already is.
No, on Shirley's list, guys. I think we should be putting Noah's picture next to Shirley. She's channeling all the energy to work with her. This is how it's happening. And so we are making
काफी सारे memes बनते हैं लोगों के, like sometimes people no, actually, you know what, I don't think my fans would be very happy to do that. I think they will probably, अगर मैंने किसी के साथ पोस्ट किया भी तो वो उसका फेस हटा के अपना फेस डाल देते हैं. ये बहुत बार हुआ है.
Nice. And the last one, Shirley. I know you have already told me that you haven't interacted much with the industry, new actors per se. But is there a certain sense of competition, or is there a certain, if not the competition is might not be the right word, but if there is a certain actor or actress work you're really liking, it's the kind of graph you would also like to have
I
once
think I
you get full
really
success?
admire Sanya's work. I think she's superb. So yeah, but I don't think there's any sense of competition. At least मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगता, because I'm already like, I feel like मैं अपनी जो energies है और अपना जो focus है वो अपने काम पे ही लगाती हूँ, because yeah, they like right now that I have to learn Telugu, and it's a big thing. So if I spend time actually thinking, oh no, yes, hey, oh no, फिर वो time I'm wasting, I should actually be focusing it on my work, तो वो better होगा. So that's how I think. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I just don't. I think I feel like I'm a very closed and a very private person. I think everybody who must have worked with me will probably say the same thing. You speak with Preet or Abhimanyu or anybody, they'll tell you the same thing. मैं बहुत ही अपने अपने में रहती हूँ, and I like to be like that. Like I have a small group of friends who I chill with, but then I keep that very separate from work, so that while I'm chilling, I don't feel like I'm working. It's important for me to have that little bit of that work life balance, because agar maine wo kiya nahi to main, yeah, I don't know how I'll
I
how I
totally
live. I don't know how I would, like, personally, I feel like I need that. So yeah, I mean, मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. So ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं कि मैं मतलब जानबूझ के ऐसे कर रही हूँ that I don't speak with people or I'm not meeting people. I've just not had the opportunity, and I'm just very much focused in my own little world. So
It's good because we would love to
it's
be
all
part
good.
of your world in cinema, and that's what we
Please
wish for
come,
you.
come and be a
Wishing
part
you
of my
all the
world.
best. Trust me, Shirley, this was really cute. This was, guys, this was unfiltered, candid to every limit. Nothing is rigged here.
Yeah.
Shirley just came and told me that she's all have hypothetical answers, and Noah is the new favorite. That is the only gossip we have from Shirley. Now, if she's single
Yeah.
or not, I'm leaving it up to you guys to decide. If anyone wants to DM her for all those cute little pickup lines on Muska, just ask her, because she's definitely not giving us any candid answers on those
Ask
ones.
me and
But thank you,
I
Shirley.
will lead them to the right people.
But thank you, Shirley. This has been really a pleasure. It was really
Yeah.
sweet talking to you, and we wish you just more success, and looking
Thank
forward to see you on
you.
the other end once this entire frame is out of the question and we can meet.
Meet in person, yes. I would love
Exactly.
that. Yeah. This was super, super fun. Thank you so much for having me on the show. It means a lot.
Thank you.